In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious challah French toast recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 loaf of challah bread cut into 1-inch slices, 6 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of heavy cream, a 1/4 cup of orange juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 6 tablespoons of butter. In a bowl, we're going to crack all of the eggs. Beat them together until smooth. Add in the salt, vanilla extract, and honey and continue beating. Once combined, add in the orange juice. Slowly add in the milk, and the heavy cream. Place the challah bread slices in the mixture and let them soak on both sides completely. Add in a tablespoon of butter into a pan over heat and melt completely. Add our challah bread slices into the pan and cook them thoroughly on both sides until golden brown. Once our bread is golden brown, we're going to flip and continue cooking until golden brown on this side as well. Once flipped, add in another tablespoon of butter. Take out onto a baking sheet. We're going to place our bread into the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit so that they remain warm while we cook the rest of our bread. Our challah French toast is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.